In the previous video, we implemented two-way data binding for the name field. This helps in capturing the data entered by the user into the user object in the component property class. Next, we will have to learn about template reference variable and to know about the states of input text element in Angular. Knowing these two topics will help us implement validations on the input text element. In this video, we will get introduced to template reference variable. In the input text element, I am including hash name field. I have made F in name field as capital to denote the separation between two words. This syntax with the hash is HTML template specific syntax in Angular. The hash character helps to define a template reference variable. Followed by hash, we can define any variable name as per our preference, and I have given it as name field. This variable can be now used within the HTML template. In the HTML template, a template reference variable can be used within interpolation or as attribute value. Let us first apply it in the interpolation. I am including a new div tag after the interpolation. Within this div tag, I am including an interpolation with namefield.value. Here, namefield represents the template reference variable. I am saving the file. After the page reload, I am typing some content in the name field. We can see the content getting reflected in the interpolation through template reference variable. Then I change value to type in the interpolation. I am saving the file. Once the page reloads, we can see text displayed. Let me explain how this works. Once a template reference variable is defined, Angular links this variable to HTML input element object. Let me show what is HTML input element as per the documentation in wartvik.org. Wartvik.org currently manages the standards for HTML. If I scroll down below, we can see the documentation about the purpose of input element. If I scroll above, we can see HTML input element interface documented. In this, we can see the properties of HTML input element listed. Based on this documentation, it is the responsibility of the browser to create appropriate objects when an HTML page is loaded, and these objects can be used by JavaScript developers to manipulate the elements in the web page. So when we included a template reference variable, Angular gets the respective HTML input element object from the browser and links it with the template reference variable. Now it is possible to use all the properties available in the HTML input element object. Hence, we were able to access the value and type properties of the HTML input element in the interpolation and display them in the page. Hope this demonstration helps you understand that HTML input element object is what gets linked to the template reference variable. Let me summarize the changes demonstrated in this video. In app.component.html, define a template reference variable in the name input text field. Then include the interpolation with namefield.value. Then save and check if it works as demonstrated. Also try changing value to type and check if text is displayed. In the next video, we will know more details about template reference variable.